Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I am going to show you how to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy. So let's begin. First, unlock your phone, open the settings page. After the settings page is open, scroll through the page. This time you can find wallpaper and style option. Tap on it. After the page is open, click on change wallpaper option. Here you can see all of the pre-installed wallpaper listed there. Simply scroll through the wallpaper and select the option if you like. For example, if you decide to select graphical wallpaper, simply go to the graphical section, select any wallpaper if you like. For example, I am select this wallpaper on my phone. Simply download it first and wait to complete the downloading process. After it done, simply tap on the wallpaper. The pop-up menu is appeared. You can see two options: lock screen, home screen. If you decide to only change the lock screen wallpaper, you can uncheck the home screen option and only select the lock screen option. After that, tap on next and wait to open the page. After this page is open, you can also adjust the wallpaper if you like. For example, while everything is okay, confirm by tapping the done button at the top right corner. And you have successfully done. To check it, simply lock your phone and open the lock screen wallpaper and see the newly set up lock screen wallpaper there. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.